Carbon emission, sustainability, and climate change, they are no longer phrases of our yesteryear's dictionary. They are a day-to-day conversation amongst all of us. Since people these days are spending more than 70% of their time in offices, corporates are showing greater inclination towards environment aspects and are taking measures to bring out the change by transforming the workplace through indoor air quality and other environmental workplace hygiene. And our company, this not only ensures the productivity and efficiency of employees, but also ensures long-term health and safety benefits. Most of our corporates have undertaken projects by EPSCO India like HVAC, duct cleaning, indoor air quality audits, kitchen extraction system cleaning, etc. Basically, a repeat commitment and repeat faith in the projects by EPSCO India is to ensure that the employees have a safe, healthy, and environment-friendly workplace to be.